Here we have a new barrier being installed on the casino. We've got increased security by adding magnetic locking to lock the gate to the support post, so at night it will be secured down. You've got a photocell safety beam to protect vehicles if they're in the way of the beam, or if any person walks underneath the barrier as it's closing. The barrier is a Sprint barrier, which is a hydraulic 24-volt barrier, and the exit system will be by either transmitters from inside the building, from the security, or the customer's given a token. So as they go to the gates, they'll put a token in the machine, which will open the barrier. There's a longer delay on the barrier than you would normally expect. That's because if people are using tokens, sometimes you'll find they'll have got out the car. Sometimes members of the casino will be older, so it takes time for them to physically get out, put the token in, get back in the car and drive off. So for that reason we've had to put a longer pause time on the barrier. If it was an automatic barrier with a metal detector exit, loop exit, you've got to put a much smaller pause time, because then the vehicle, as soon as it leaves the barrier, will close behind them. Again, the barrier will be about to close in a few seconds. There it starts nose down. If that pedestrian has walked through the beam, as I'll try to do now, it stops and doesn't hit them. So it's safe for pedestrians as well as safe for vehicles.